craziest little Ford Ranger, Ford truck I've seen.
Ford F-100.
428 on the hood scoop.
Boom.
Whoa, that thing's really built. It's just got a little
body on it.
A little teeny tires on it, but look at that. 428 on the scoop. It's got a nice little winch built into that. Extended bumper. Took some stock tires. Custom cab step side. It's a little aluminum camper. It's definitely got some room for some bigger tires on it.
Yeah, I think those are probably his commuting tires or something.
They've gotta be. It's got a nice little tow hitch in the back though.
Overlander thing.
Yeah. Nice truck though.
Yeah.
See a built-in like 2-inch receiver. Weird bubbly short looking truck.